Alright guys, so we're going to install the harness. I don't really know how to drag this out. This is literally like a less than 10-minute install. You only need to remove 2 screws from the steering column as we showed you. Once you're under here, there's a 7-pin connector right here, and you're going to plug our mating connector into it, wrap the harness down, and then over to the left. And then you're going to come back in here and you'll see this 30-pin BCM connector right here. So you unplug it, and then you're going to install our mating connector there too. So let me show you what that's going to look like. Alright, so we got the harness installed. I put a zip tie around this. Sometimes this doesn't click together securely. The whole thing is just to put it on enough where the black connector can't back out of the white one. Zip tie it to the factory harness. Make sure that this isn't tight enough or too tight where you can't telescope the steering wheel. So bring it down, take it to the left, and then I have the BCM connector installed already. So here's our harness. You can see it plugs back into the BCM here, and then our red and blue connectors here are going to go to the module. So I'll show you the module programming here. Alright, so for the module programming, you're going to make sure the toggle switch is in the off position like so. You're going to plug in the red and blue connectors as shown here. There's a button on the side of the module. You're going to push and hold it. You're going to flip the toggle switch on, and you're going to see this light right here turn orange. Let go of it and it will turn red. Okay, so now at this point, you're going to hit your start stop button 2 times, and you're gonna turn the ignition on, and you're gonna, here, I'll just do it real quick so you can watch this light. So I'm gonna hit the button 1, 2, this light turns orange. Hit the button 1 more time, it'll turn off the ignition. Okay, so we're still orange. Tap your start stop button 2 more times. 1, 2, that light turns green and goes off, and now we are complete. So turn ignition off, and our remote start is now done. Alright guys, so obviously we're actually inside a dealership right now. I'm going to show you how to use this real quick. So you hit the lock button 3 times on the key fob. Lock, lock, lock. Parking lights will flash to confirm. The vehicle will start here in a second. And your running lights, if you can see that, and the parking lights will come on. The door is locked right now because we hit the lock button 3 times. Ignition is on. The car is running. Now, I'm going to put this in my pocket, okay? And then I'm going to reach right here, and it still unlocks the door. The vehicle shuts off. It mimics the OEM Toyota remote start, right? So unfortunately there's no takeover at this time to keep the vehicle running when you get in. But with that said, all features that you had prior to installing this remote start still work. So when you lock the door, the key can stay in your pocket. You can come up, you can open it with that, you can hit the button, you can lock the door still. See, there we go. So I still have everything taken apart. So I encourage you guys to test the remote start before you tidy everything up, zip tie it, you know, make it permanent. So just do what I just did in the video. Make sure the hood, doors, and hatch are all closed prior to you starting it, because it won't start if the doors are open.